Howdy.
Hey, how's it going?
Are we going to be on YouTube?
Hey, only if you want to.
I'll show you how to do that right.
Yeah, please. I need all the help I can get.
Unfortunately, my microphone was making this intolerable buzzing noise through about half the clips I took, so I gotta make some voiceovers here. But this is the corded electric Earthwise tiller I picked off of Amazon for like 120 bucks. I used it for this renovation, my fall renovation, pretty much everything that I've done in the yard, and for about 2 years now. Haven't done any maintenance with it. It's just, you put it away when you're done with it and pick it up, and it's always ready to go. I absolutely love these corded electric tools, kind of like my chainsaw. It's great. Right there on the sidewalk, you'll see some of the debris and mainly concrete that I pulled out in the process. Thank goodness I did that, because that would not be good for the grass. One of the most tedious processes is raking out all the debris, all the tiny little rocks. You got to get those out if you want a pristine little seedbed there. So the main process right here is mainly just pick up some rocks, rake around some dirt, try to eyeball the level there, then kind of roll it to compact it a little bit more, because it tends to fluff up. You can't get a good read on how much soil is actually there without it compacted a little bit. Then I use the 2x4 here and make sure it's about level, and rinse and repeat the process.
All right, 20 days since seed down, and this is where we're at. It took about 14 days for the grass blades to emerge this spring, and the other hill strip that I seeded doing a similar process, it took about 5 days, and it's mainly because it was a little bit warmer in the fall when I seeded it. In these darker areas right here, you'll see much more dense grass coming up because the other areas got washed out from the heavier rain. So I'm gonna have to overseed that. At the same time that I seeded, I put down mesotrione or tenacity, and you can see some of these white grass blades poking up here and there, and that's what tenacity does. The undesirable grass emerges, but it dies. And so in about 10 days, I'll apply another round of tenacity. And after 1 month after that, I'll probably apply some prodiamine. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you around.